This time we are going to travel to Island Garden City of Samal and we are going to Kaputian Beach Park Resort. Kaputian Beach Park Resort is one of the great resorts that Samal Island has. This resort is operated by the local government of Samal. The resort is located just within the southern coast of Samal Island. The resort takes pride with its authentic talc-like sand and crystal clear blue waters that stand among the many resorts in this island. Samal Island is dotted with so many scenic spots, good for photo shooting, diving, snorkeling, and many other water sports. One of the good spots around its vicinity is Kaputian Beach Resort. This resort has its natural touch up to this day. Surely, nature trippers will enjoy its natural touch. Price matters when you decide on escapade. These resorts offer good amenities and very minimum price, one escapade that you will surely enjoy without actually pursing your tight budget for holidays. There are few restaurants outside the resorts that will surely fill your taste buds with mouth-watering seafood's delight. And don't worry about the corkades if you plan to bring some of their delicious foods and drinks inside the resort. There are no extra charges, so just feel free to bring it inside. This is a must-try resort, with its strategic area located just within the vicinity of Samal's poblacion. This one will surely trim down unexpected expenses and will leave enough for some souvenirs and extra food. Don't you like that budget-safe kind of resort? Where else will you go for cheap yet soothing and natural getaway? It's only here at Kaputian Beach Park Resort. The Kaputian Beach Resort offers both native bungalows and dormitory for those who wish to stay overnight at a very reasonable price. The structures of all cottages are facing in the west side to give a breathtaking view of the nearby Talikod Island. One will surely have an amazing stay in this resort. It's a safe haven since it's the local government of Samal who manages this resort. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit Kaputian Beach Resort located at the island garden city of Samal. And this is one of place that I can recommend to you to stay, to enjoy together with your loved ones, friends, and family. And this is the Kaputian Beach Resort located in Samal Island.